Hey artists, welcome back to Art at Home. Today we're going to start a 2-week project where we're going to make 3D letter forms. So letter forms, letters that look like they are coming off the page right at you. Week 1, I'm going to show you how to use the tool called Perspective to make it look like they're coming at you. And week 2, we're going to look at how we can enhance that 3D effect using color. All right, here we go. All right, we are going to start our 3D letter forms by simply making block or bubble letters of whatever word you want to write. I'm just gonna use my initials. Once you have your basic letters sketched out, you could fancy them up any way you like. I think I'm gonna put some like points coming back off my letters. Beautiful. Now on to perspective. Perspective is the tool that artists go to create depth in their drawings, to make some things look like they are closer than others. And we are going to use what's called one-point perspective. And that's where we pick an imaginary place where these letters would be like flying at us from. So like they've taken off from a certain place and they're flying right at our eyes. And I am going to make a dot. I'll put it right here. Now the trick to perspective is, one-point perspective is, you find every edge and you connect it to that dot. And you have to keep paying attention because your ruler might slide on you and you think you're drawing it to the spot and you're not drawing it to there anymore. You don't need a ruler to do this, you just need any straight edge. In fact, my ruler is probably going to be too short in a minute and I'm going to have to find something else to use. Notice how I'm stopping my line here? That's because the face, the front of my M would be blocking my view of this part that's going behind it. And I think I'm going to have to go to my marker case for a new straight edge that's long enough. And again, my K is going to be behind the M, so I need to stop it there. Forgot one line. And there I have it. It looks like my letters are shooting out from this dot. This takes a while. Actually, I need to check. Oh yeah, I missed a line here where the middle of my K. There should be a line coming down. There it is. All right, I think I've got them all now. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and trace. I'm just gonna trace the outside of my letters so they stand out. I'm not going to trace all these lines going back, so I want those to be a little more subtle, a little less bold. I want the things that are front and close up to us to be the bolder parts. It probably wouldn't be a bad idea for me to use my straight edge to trace these lines, make them nice and crisp. There I have it. This is going to keep my letters looking bold because they're right up close to me. And there we have it. Once you've gotten this far, you can take a break and set this aside. We'll come back to it next week and talk about how to use color to enhance what we've done here.